Can everybody see the gray convection currents coming back towards you here? And where are they going? See how they're going upstairs? They're going up that staircase, correct? Yep. Please pay attention to that going upstairs. Compare the thermal cameras. Take a look at the difference between what you're seeing through the eyes of the different cameras. Look at your rollover coming towards you. And now we also have the current out for limiting the oxygen to the fire. So look at what's going on upstairs. Look at that view of what you have going up. Down just a little bit of water up top. A little bit. Good, good. So we talk about controlling the overhead, correct? Yeah. We talk about making that area yours before you go to the next. You can kill this whole fire right now from the front door. Also, be thinking about the exhaust. Where's that exhaust going to go when you hit that fire? Yeah. Give me a little bit of water up high, just a little bit. Good, 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 good. So just that little bit of water up high, even when you hit the base of the fire, you can see the difference that it made in that environment. Look upstairs with your thermal camera. See the value of having the thermal camera? Look at mine compared to yours. See the difference? Yeah. A little bit of water, Joe. Good, good, good. You guys are getting a great burn. Really good burn. Hey, Sean. Yeah. I think we're getting good extension back over in here. How are we looking in the other? Vent, vent, vent.
Copy that, venting.
Okay, we're calling for ventilation. Let it grow.
I am.
What a beautiful burn.
This is great. Does it work like you want it to?
See my camera compared to yours?
Yeah.
Hey, Brad.
What?
How's it like over the kitchen bathroom area?
It's not too terrible.
Okay.
We're getting some heat up high, but we're getting some rollover down the hallway.
You're right. Good.
We're about to that point, Sean. I'm getting worried about it extending out here.
Do what?
I'm getting worried about it extending with as much heat as we've got.
If you're okay, give me an example.
You know what?
Hit the fire, but hit it out the window. Like, hit the fire and then hit it out the window.
Sean, you're rolling down that hallway on the other side of the stairs.
Go ahead and kill it, John, and open it up and vent it.
Okay, kill it?
Yeah. How are we looking over there?
Hey, Brad, how's it look?
I pulled it down.
Go ahead and vent it out that window, please. There you go, now your temperature low. Now hold it again. There you go, now hold it up there. Isn't that cool? So that's in survey mode. It's showing color at 150. So we just hit the fire, but see the heat we missed?
Yeah.
Okay, so now go ahead and hold that button again. 2 seconds.
Hey, you come with me. Yeah, let's go up and check that second floor.
So now we'll
Okay,
get
Sean, we're gonna go check the second.
Beautiful. Hold it again. Can you? One more time. Sensor mode. Beautiful. Good job. Thank you.